a second.
You disrespect, he gon' get you chased out of Texas. So watch your tone and don't ask a lot of questions or lose this board on a Wi-Fi connection. I'm a cop acre out in Cancun with big Jeep wagons in the sand dunes. I'ma start my selection. If you were smart, you guard your connections.